I'm gonna make the craziest video. But first, let's check outside. Are you kidding me? Don't worry guys, don't panic. I've got a plan B. Maybe the Solo. No, that's not waterproof. Maybe the Disco. That can't handle rain. The DJI FPV. I can't really handle it either. Home built FPV. These electronics are practically exposed. Good old Mavic Mini. Probably not gonna end well either. The Mini 2. That's not waterproof either. Potenzic. You could even see the ribbon cables. Imagine that getting soaked. Orange Masterpiece. Use that for work. Do you really want to take that in the rain? The bigger the better. $6,000 drone's gonna fall right out of the sky. I'm running out of options here. They don't call you pro for nothing. No, a pro can't handle water either. I've gotta have something. What's in here? Ladies and gentlemen, we found ourselves a drone. Now let's go make a video. He's kind of sitting out here in the rain, taking a good soaking. So, yeah, I'd like to get up in the air. A firmware update. All right, we got GPS, firmware is updated. 0, perfectly exposed. Let's hit record and do our thing. All right, everything's looking good. She's holding nice and steady. Gimbal looks nice and level. I think this update actually fixed the horizon tilt issue that people were complaining about. I hardly got it. This is why you need some Fimi in your life. Oh man, look at those clouds, boy. Look at those. Oh man, it's like Gotham City over there. Screen is wet from being outside. Let me wipe the screen a little bit. This just looks absolutely gorgeous. Oh, we got some props in the shot there. Can't push too much too fast. But damn, this looks good. We got some nice shots over here. Wow, as you can see, there's a smirk of water just came across on the glass. Man, she's holding up beautiful. This drone is a sleeper, guys. I'm telling you, you know. I love budget drones because when I started flying, I did not have the luxury of being able to own more than one drone. And that one drone that I did decide to own gave me a lot of trouble, and then I got another drone and that flew away on me, and I almost quit droning, so things were pretty tough for me. Go to the little settings at the bottom here, go scroll down to the bottom and click SAR. That helps you to digitally zoom. Let's hit up the zoom a little bit. Let's get some zoom in our life. Oh, there we go. Up in that digital zoom. Use the wheel right here to move the zoom. Oh man, this looks good. Even with the zoom, how much zoom can we get? Let's zoom the crap out of this thing. Oh man, the zoom is not that bad. It's not that bad. Let's hit record. Damn, now we got zoom. We got the city in the backdrop over there. This is beautiful, guys. Traffic in the background there, everything's moving, and the battery life on this drone is phenomenal, guys. All in all, she's flying pretty good. Let's bring her down for landing. She's feisty. She is feisty and soaked. Whoa, let's power you off. Woo. I'm not gonna lie, that bridge looked beautiful, and this does have a decent camera. this baby really comes in handy because when you just feel like flying, she's always there. She's always ready. She'll always get the job done, he or she. Whatever you want to call it. I feel sorry for this poor drone because the only time I fly it is when it's snowing or raining. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you leave me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys, well, whenever I can. Make sure you become a Patreon, guys. Big benefits to Patreon. Get direct access to me. Any questions? I'm right here on Patreon. Support this channel, and there's benefits. Last Mini 2 went all the way to the UK.